Lenovo M8 Jafar Sir's E-Class. Welcome to Jafar Sir's E-Class. Subscribe it.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello guys, hi everyone, how are you all? Today I am going to unbox my Lenovo M8 tab parcel. Which I ordered through Amazon. So I am going to open this or unboxing this parcel of Lenovo Tab M8, which is of 8-inch and has RAM of 2 GB and ROM of 32 GB. Here its bill. So here my tab box. Now I am unsealing this box. This is seal for protection that during parcel or during shipping piece will not destroy. So here's my new tab. I told you that it is of 8-inch and has a RAM of 2 GB and ROM 32 GB. Here its charger, and it is here booklet of the information about this tab, warranty and display and clarity, etc. And this pin for the use of opening the SIM's compartment. Hey guys, see this. How is it? It has a nice display and nice camera also. It is of 8-inch. See here. Made in China. Now I am switching on my tab. See its home page. So here and notification opened here. Now I'll press no accept, and now I will insert my SIM card. Here it's pin to unlock the SIM card compartment. Here I opened it. See how it's come out. Now I will safely do it. It's so hard first time because it's a new piece. See this. Here is the SIM card compartment and here is the SD card. Now I will place my SIM card and I will insert it. Do it. So now it's processing. See here. Now I connected to Wi-Fi and here will it process. So guys, the main reason for buying this tab is to learn online classes for the NEET Dropper batch, which I am learning through the Physics Wala app. See this is a Physics Wala app, and Mr. Alak Pandey has launched this app, and he is one of the best physics faculty. Here's different courses also there. Here Priya's batch for JEE Advanced, Droppers batch, and this is accelerated batch for the PCB and PCM for the CBSE 12th boards to learn on online, and live classes are also there. And this is my batch, Yakin batch for the NEET Dropper, and here here's its schedule of biochemistry, physics, and here is the file of notice test. Here these faculties announce about if there is any test or new strategies and timetables. So today is holiday because of the preparation of review test. Tomorrow is my review test, so there is no class today. Here's the yesterday's class of photosynthesis lecture 4, which is taught by Tarun sir. He is a nice bio faculty. I'll show you little bit. He teaches in Hindi.
हेलो एवरीवन, बेटा हम लोग फोटोसिंथेसिस का 4th लेक्चर पढ़ रहे हैं। अभी तक जितना हमने चैप्टर पढ़ा है,
and here's the chemistry, and my running topic is atomic structure, which is teaching by the Mr. Amit sir, and here's the physics, and his the running topic is rotational dynamics of 7th lecture. Sir is teaching the angular momentum and conservation of angular momentum.
हेलो बच्चों,
This is Alak Pandey. He teaches nice.
हेलो बच्चों, क्या हाल भाई? वर्टिकल वेलोसिटी प्रोजेक्टाइल में चेंज होती है, हॉरिजॉन्टल क्या रहती है? हॉरिजॉन्टल क्या रहती है?
Here's for if your data is consuming more during the live classes, then you can download and you can watch it later, because while downloading your net will consume less than the live classes. Here's my profile, and here notifications came here about any batch, and there is actually today is Children's Day, so they launch some app discount or anything else, and also they are wishing us a Children's Day. Here's while you download your videos, here come your download videos, secure offline videos. Here ebook is there, SC Verma part 1 and part 2 solution books are there, and it has date also. Here bookmarks, when you bookmark in your book and you forgot where I read it to yesterday, or if you want to come back your bookmarks, then you can go through your bookmark. Here your feedback section, and while there is any problem in this app, you can contact them through this contact us. So I will close this app. Now I am learning NEET. I am preparing for the NEET 2021. I am learning through the Droppers batch, because in my first attempt I scored 293 something through college, and it's of 4 to 5th months course, Physics Wala app. through this app any people or any student can, through middle class or through the or if it belongs to the poor family, he or she can learn through this app, because this app subscription get to you in only 3,500 rupees for the 4 to 5 months. For the complete revision they have DPP and tests also, and I bought this tab through the Amazon, and in this Diwali offer I got this Lenovo M8 tab of 16,000 in 8,882 something. So guys, thank you. So on the occasion of Children's Day, my father gifted me this tab and I am so happy. So guys, bye.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this educational YouTube channel and like this video and share it. This is Jafar Sir E-Class channel.